There is a buzzard way out there. Man, it's not focusing. Let me go over here by the window. Whoa! Oh, the big dog barked. There he goes.
She don't like them things. Now they all sold it. He gone. Hey, stop.
Whoa.
Daisy, be quiet. You're scaring up over there.
It's like, but that thing's big. No, they don't like the buzzards. They see the shadows on the ground, they go crazy. That's called
Daisy is barking.
That's what was on when they pulled up that day and they had that hawk out there in the truck. Yeah.
Daisy, it's okay.
The cab of the truck. They didn't get in that big truck. My God, I'll keep an eye on the yard. Okay, you keep an eye on the thing.
Good guard dog. You scared the bird away.
That ain't a bird. That's as big as you. Like, nothing more. Those two honks are about a third of that size. Oh, that he's every bit as big.
Well, I seen it go across there and then it come back and land.
Well, you know, it hadn't rained in a while. You know, that Alabama's out there.
Wasn't that bird big?
Yeah, it was. It was huge.
How big was it?
I don't know. Bigger than these animals.
Yeah.
It was pretty big.
Like, show me with your hands.
I don't know. It was like that tall.
That was pretty big. Show me how big you think it was, like with your hands. Whoa. Bigger than I thought. Oh yeah, that's my homemade spray bottle. I put the top off of the hermit crab spray bottle thing on the syrup thing. And now I have a spray bottle. Don't spray me! Spray him!
You know what we saw at
Let me see
the other day?
it. Yeah, what?
What were they called? Yeah, a chinchilla. There's a chinchilla.
Okay. Your hands wet
Then we
now.
found a ferret at
I like your bracelets. Thanks. The cat one. Oh, let me put it in the camera. Hold up your arm.
The other day. You know what those are, right? Dude. A chinchilla. They got one at PetSmart.
Tell me how big you think the bird was, and now I'm gonna go.